Dear students, welcome to the Economic Study Circle. In this video, we are going to present Business Studies subject for 2nd PUC. Third chapter, Business Environment, multiple choice questions. To get more marks MCQ, questions are very important. Let us start the 1 marks MCQ questions. In this video, hard questions also included and marked with a red color star. So, please give your 100% concentration to get more marks. Let us see the first question. First question, which of the following does not characterize the business environment? Option A, uncertainty. Option B, relativity. Option C, employee. Option D, complexity. Our right answer is option C, employees. Next question, question number 2. Which of the following best indicates the importance of business environment? Option A, identification. Option B, improvement in performance. Option C, coping with rapid changes. Option D, all of them. Right answer is option D, all of them. Third question, which of the following is an example of social environment? Option A, money supply in the economy. Option B, Consumer Protection Act. Option C, the constitution of the country. Option D, composition of family. Right answer is option D, composition of family. Next question, fourth question. Liberalization means option A, integration among economics. Option B, reduced government controls and restrictions. Option C, policy of planned disinvestments. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option B, reduced government controls and restrictions. Next question, fifth question. Which of the following is feature of demonetization? Option A, tax administration measures. Option B, channelizing savings into the formal financial system. Option C, development of less cash economy. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is all of the above. Next question, sixth question. Please give your concentration. Sixth, seventh and eighth questions are continue 3 questions, hot questions. Hot means high order thinking questions. These questions newly added to the question bank. Let us see the question and answer. First one, sixth question. Between June 2023 and June 2024, reports say the export of India have increased by 2.47% while imports have increased by 5.04%. Identify the related dimensions of the business environment. Option A, social dimension. Option B, technological dimension. Option C, legal dimension. Option D, economic dimension. Answer is option D, economic dimension. Seventh question, this is also hot question. Identify the related dimension of the business environment which led to the mandatory usage of mask and PPE kits during COVID-19. Option A, social dimension. Option B, legal dimension. Option C, technological dimension. Option D, political dimension. Right answer is option B, legal dimension. Next question, eighth question. Eighth question also hot question. Please give your concentration. The government of India has allowed foreign direct investment in insurance sector. What economic reform is the reason of the change in government's policy? Option A, globalization. Option B, liberalization. Option C, privatization. Option D, demonetization. Right answer is option B, liberalization. Next question, ninth question. Which one of the following is a part of economic environment? Option A, public debt. Option B, lifestyle of people. Option C, technological changes. Option D, level of education. Right answer is option A, public debt. Next question and 10th question, last question. The aim of demonetization was to? Option A, curb corruption. Option B, curb accumulation of black money. Option C, counter fighting the use of high denomination notes for illegal activities. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is all of the above. Thank you for watching. I will come back with a new chapter. Please subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you.